so much for watching and for being here. My name is Alondra and today I am renovating our guest bathroom. I have waited such a long time to do this, so I'm super excited that you're here joining me and that I get to take you on the process with me. So if you're excited to see how the restroom turns out and how I get there, then give this video a big thumbs up. And also, this is a really huge video for me. I'm super excited about it. I think one of the most exciting videos for me. So also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join the journey here with me on YouTube. And with that being said, let me just share a little bit about our bathroom and how it looked like and what it looks like right now. So when we first moved in 7 months ago, it looked like this, and I'm going to insert some clips and some pictures for you all. And then within the first 8 weeks that we lived here, I did paint the tiles and the walls white, because I wanted it to be more white and more bright because it is a very small bathroom. So I'll insert some clips and pictures if I have any here, because I don't have much footage of that. And then what the restroom looks like right now is actually what it's looked like for the past 5 months-ish. So we are going to give this bathroom a whole lot of love, and we're going to do it in one day, hopefully. So let's go ahead and get started and show you. Alright, so I just got ready and I'm about to head over to Home Depot and Home Goods, and I'm taking you along with me. I need to go to Home Depot because I need to buy some wood, because I decided to just make the shelves myself. I'm going to ask them to cut the wood, so hopefully that won't be a problem because I've never done that before, but I looked it up. So hopefully they'll do that. And then I'm just going to paint them white because I have white paint, because I want to maximize the space in our restroom, and I think just having the shelves be the exact sizing or as close to the exact sizing that I need in terms of length will be very, very helpful for me. And then I'm going to Home Goods and bring you along with me too, because we're going to buy some decor pieces for the restroom. So hopefully this won't take too long and we will be back shortly. So let's go ahead and head over there now. Our first stop is Home Depot, and honestly when I got there I did not know which piece of wood would work best for the shelves I was making, but this guy ended up helping me, and so I ended up taking one of these 8-foot long pieces of wood, and he was kind enough to cut it into the size that I needed. And then after the shelves I decided to go on a hunt for a plant, because I really want to include a plant on the shelves. So I ended up finding this little plant right here, and so I was really happy about that. And then after that I went to Home Goods and I went straight for the basket section, because I really wanted to incorporate a basket or two into the shelf in the bathroom. And then I ended up taking this little basket right here, so you'll see it incorporated into the bathroom, which I'm super happy about. But I ended up grabbing some other stuff which you'll eventually see. We're back from Home Depot and Home Goods, and I actually changed my shirt to my painting shirt so that I can go ahead and start painting the shelves, because I need to do at least 2 coats on there, and I want to let the shelves dry before I go in with the next coats. So we're going to start off with that. I'm going to set up in my living room and I'll show you all what we're doing. I did grab some paint and gloves while I was at Home Depot. I do have some paint at home, but it's more of an off-white, so I didn't want to take any chances. Before painting, I did go ahead and sand down the 3 shelves, because I wanted to make sure that I was working with the smoothest surface possible. So if you have some extra time, it didn't take too long. I do highly recommend that you sand down your wooden pieces, especially if you're making something yourself. And then once you finish sanding everything down, then grab a cloth or a towel or something of that sort and just wipe the entire thing down, so you can get rid of all of the extra residue, so that you're not mixing the paint and the residue together. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and start painting. And I did do 2 coats of paint for these shelves, so I let them completely dry the first time around, and then I came back to them a second time. this is actually future me. Once I'm done with the restroom transformation and with the video, I just wanted to tell you all to keep watching, please, 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 because this video is just super special to me. I've envisioned this restroom for months and it's finally complete, and I'm just in awe at myself and like what I was able to do. So I really want to share that with you all, and yeah, so keep on watching because I'm going to show you all the end result and I'm super excited about that. So see you soon. Before I start putting the wallpaper on the wall, I am going through and just cleaning the wall because I want to make sure that the wallpaper is able to stick onto the wall. I am saying wall many times, but you get the point. This is the wallpaper that I chose for the bathroom, and this is me modeling the wallpaper apparently, but this wallpaper, honestly, compared to other wallpapers, was more on the affordable side for something that I liked and that was cute. So I'll leave it linked down below in case you're interested. I got it from Wayfair. At some point, you'll realize that I actually have a piece of wallpaper on my hair and I didn't even know this. Funny thing is that my partner and I went to go grab food very quickly while I was filming this, and I ended up finding 2 pieces of wallpaper in my hair, and that's when I realized. And then now looking at the footage, I'm like, yeah, this happened very early on in the process. So I had that piece of wallpaper in my hair for a while. I got this mirror from HomeGoods a while back, but oh my goodness, it looks so amazing with the wallpaper. Like this video right now if you agree. Okay, so in this section here, I am going to put in 3 shelves. This restroom it's not small, but this section where the toilet is pretty small. So I wanted to maximize the space by putting in some shelves here so that we can have some things above the shelf, just because we do run out of cabinet storage down here too, because our other restroom, we don't have any type of storage space, and that one, the shower is big, but everything else is really small. So I'm using this shelf for reference in terms of how separate I want them to be, but I'm obviously not putting in this shelf. I'm putting in the other ones that I painted, and I'll show you all how I painted those if I haven't already. But yeah, so let's go ahead and figure out how I want to space them out. I'm super thankful for my partner because he actually showed me how to use a drill and use a leveler. And so had I not known and had he not shown me, I would have not gone into this part of the project feeling as confident as I did. So very grateful for him and very grateful for him showing me how to do this. Wow, I'm a shelf builder. I'm honestly really proud of myself. I built these, I painted them, I installed them, so I'm super happy about that, and I'm even more excited to show you all how I decorated the shelves. Alright, so I'm going to show you all really quickly some of the things that I got for the bathroom in terms of decor. And then I have this like image for Christmas time. It comes with like 5 different things for Christmas, but I'm going to try and make my own and kind of just cut out a piece of cardstock and then make my own print to go in here so that I can put it in the restroom, because this is such a really cool piece. But obviously these are all Christmas related, so I'm just going to make my own. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of size this out. So let's go ahead and do that. Wow, she's a DIYer. So now I'm actually going to create something on it, like just put something, and right now I'm thinking of putting relax and refresh, or let's look on Pinterest because I need some ideas for that. I went with Relax and Refresh, and the reason that I did this is because when I was at Home Goods, I actually saw a really cute art piece that said Relax and Refresh, but it was about $15 and I was not about to spend $15, so I made this for free. And then with styling the shelves, I went ahead and put in the plant, the art piece, a room spray, this basket. I did put some toilet paper in there for our guests. And then I added in a candle, and this is more for aesthetics, of course, and some essential oils for our guests. I love essential oils, so I thought that this would be a very cute touch. And then these hands, my partner and I got in Bali when we were traveling together, so I also thought that these would look really, really pretty in here. And then styling the top shelf, I am thinking of adding a macrame hanger somewhere in here with a plant in the restroom, so I might look into doing that eventually, but we'll see. And then just adding in the curtain rod with the curtains, and once I did this, everything just came together. And then in a bit I will finish up with the sink area and then placing our mat. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Oh yeah, the summer night, the summer night, oh the summer night. Alright friends, that is it for this video. I had so much fun. I'm so happy. I envisioned this restroom for months, just how it was going to turn out. I've had this wallpaper for about 2 months, but just never had the chance to do it. And it was my first time making shelves. I don't know, but it was just, honestly, I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video so much as I enjoyed this process. I'm so happy. I just want to sit in my restroom for like hours right now, so I'll probably be here for a while. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join the journey here with me on YouTube, and I'll see you next time. Bye!